Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So I'm standing here today in my 16x8 workshop that I built around 5 years ago now, and I've got a couple of videos about how I built it on my channel. I'll link to those videos in the description box if you're interested in checking those out. But recently I was having a look through a couple of my old hard drives and I came across quite a few images of projects that I'd done before I started the channel. So you guys have never seen these projects, and it gives an interesting look into how I started doing projects and with woodworking. So in this video I'm going to show you some of the old projects that predate my channel, and if you're looking at getting into a hobby such as woodworking, I hope you find this inspirational and useful. So I'm currently working out of this 16 feet by 8 feet workshop that I built, but before I built this workshop I started off with really basic tools, just using what I could find, experimenting on really simple projects. Here's one of the first projects I did. It's a nativity set. I'm just using really basic tools and scrap wood here. I even used a bit of wood off a tree out of the garden, and I just took my time. I added bits here and there, tried to make it look interesting. I've added some sort of dry grass there to make it look like hay, painted it with acrylic paints, and I added some pieces to it for Christmas. Here is one of the first bird boxes I ever made out of pallet wood. Here's a bench that I found and I decided to paint it and put it in the garden. I found this thrown out and it came up quite nice. Here is a bedside table that I found. You can see it's broke. Somebody had thrown it out, so I decided to take it apart, fix it, and then paint it grey at the bottom. And it came out quite nice, and I actually sold this on eBay in the end because I didn't need it. Here's one of the first drills I bought, a basic work zone drill from Aldi, and a basic hammer drill from the car boot sale. Here's like an old butcher's block that I found thrown out, and I tried to modify it and turn it into a mini workbench, which worked okay, but then I found out that it was a bit too small. But the idea was there. I've used pallet wood for the backer. And at this point I'm just experimenting with things. Here is a fence that I made partly out of an old bed and some pallet wood. And for a while I used that for a fence at the front of the house. And here is a doorstep that I made out of pallet wood. Here's like an old barrel that I found, and I decided to turn it into a composter for the garden. And I added a door on the front with a hinge so that you can get the compost out the bottom when it rots down. Here's an old pot that I salvaged. Decided to do it up. I painted it. When plastic pots get old, they go like dry, and they take the paint really well, and they're good at for painting. This one came out quite nice, and I decided to do this to a few pots, such as this one. All pots that I found thrown out and I got for free. As I say, just experimenting, trying to make something look good that was junk. You don't need to spend a lot of money to get into this kind of hobby, and you can just experiment with what you can get your hands on, and you'll be surprised what you can do. You can really turn junk into nice things. Here's an old workbench that I found, and I used pallet wood to put a new top on it, and I used that for a while. Here's like a board that I made out of some timber that I found. And here's an ornament that I found, and I decided to spruce it up with some paint to make it look fresh. I've added a coat of white there, and I added some grey to the bottom, and it looked as good as new. Here is a workbench that I eventually built for my workshop, again out of the thick skids from a pallet and some old chipboard for the top, just using basic tools, and I painted that grey as well, and it came out quite good. Bolted it all together. Here is a little tray that I made for documents to go inside my workshop. And this is the drum out of a washing machine that I used to burn a lot of the kindling from projects. And I found this, it was all rusty when I found it, and I painted it and done it up for the garden. Here is something I made for my fishing rods. It's a rack just made out of old cans and bits of wood. And then I started making planters. As you can see, again, pallet wood, basic tools. Made them up as I went along, and they came out quite good. I've sold a few, kept a few, but really good to sort of get your skills going to start building stuff. I used some old plastic from some packaging to line it, and then added some plants. Here is another planter that I made, again out of pallet wood, and here's another one. Then I started gathering even more pallets to make a fence for the back garden to get ready for building the workshop. There's the fence that I made in the beginning, all out of pallets. And now I've got my workshop. So I hope you found this interesting and inspirational if you want to get into the hobby yourself. Okay, so that is about it then for this video. So I hope you found that interesting, and if you're looking at getting into woodworking, I hope this inspires you to start off in the hobby and maybe even start your own YouTube channel too. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.